Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the most foundational concepts in Remote Desktop Manager, the vaults. Think of a vault as a high-level container. It works like a master folder that helps you organize and structure all of your entries in one secure place. In RDM3, your vault is stored locally using an SQL workspace, unless you've connected a Devolutions cloud workspace. It's simple, fast, and requires no server. Vaults aren't just about security. They're also about clarity. You've got one central place to manage your environment. It keeps things clean, consistent, and easy to scale as your workflow grows. Now remember, RDM3 using an SQLite workspace supports just one vault. If you ever need multiple vaults for different clients or teams, that's a feature you'll have using Devolutions Cloud. But for solo use, one vault is more than enough when you use folders, tags, and smart categorization. Your vault can hold a variety of entry types: RDP sessions, SSH keys, credentials, Apple Remote Desktop, web session, and more. Before we finish, let's take a quick peek at vault settings. If you head to the Administration tab in RDM's ribbon, you'll find the vault settings. Here you can configure things like default credentials, VPN settings, and other inheritance options. These don't change the environment directly, but they act as default values that entries and folder can inherit automatically through their own properties. And that's your vault. Secure, flexible, and ready to grow with you. Up next, we'll show you how to create your first entry and start sharpening your remote management workstation.